Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidve. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, I've already made a video on crash and boom 1000 with crash 500 using this same indicator, and also I'm explaining on crash 500 inside this particular video. So guys, while you can get this indicator is for you to join our Telegram group, and you can easily chat the admin up and you are going to be getting it at a token fees. So guys, in today's video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can trade using this particular indicator successfully, and you can only use it to catch up a 3 candlestick on boom 500, just only 3 candlestick on boom 1000 on boom 500. So guys, as you can see now, we have a trade that is running. So in this particular area now, we are waiting for a signal to show up, and also guys, you are going to be seeing that how it goes, and also you are going to be checking how this particular indicator is going to give us a signal, and you are going to be seeing that too, which is going to match with what we are having on our histograph at this particular area on our MACD, which is our red MACD. So when you have these two combinations together, you can easily trade it successfully by taking 1 2 3. And also if you check here, same thing happen here. You can easily, it's because it's accurate on the on the red MACD here, then you can easily take your 1 2 3. Then and also at this particular area, same thing happen here. You can take 1 2 3, and also if you check here, you will see that it appear on our red histograph, and you can take 1 2 3 before the spike. You are already in and out. And same thing happen here. It appear on our red histograph, and you can easily enter the market and catch up just only 3 candlestick. You see that? So and at this particular area now, you can see that we don't have our red confirmation on this downtrend. We can only find a green symbol here. So that means this tells us that this particular accurate is not confirmed. So you don't need to take this, then look for another entry for you to take. And you can see this is accurate with our red here, then you can easily take that. And also same thing happen here, it's accurate with our red histograph here, you can take that. And also same thing happen here, it's accurate at this particular level, but you can see that spike happen, and what do you see next? It keep on selling down until you have a full profit to take. So guys, there's nothing to scare about it. What you just need to do is to confirm the trade of the market before using this particular indicator. And also I will explain in my next video how you can confirm the trend of the market. And also at this particular area now, you can see we have the full confirmation, and you can easily take your 3 candlestick, then you are out of the market. You see what happened here, guys? You see what happened here? We don't have a full confirmation. What do you see next? There is a spike next. You see that great spike. So that's how you can easily enter the market and out of the market. Just do it many times in a day, and you are already having your watch. You are already downloading your profits time to time. And same thing happen here. If you can see this, same thing happen here. You just take your 3 and out, and same thing happen here. You take your 3 and out. And if you check this, you will see that this confirmation is not confirmed because it doesn't respect our histograph at this particular level. You can easily out of the market with this. And also same thing happen at this particular area. If you take this particular trade here, you are only taking it at your risk. So it is better you leave it for you to have a confirmation at this particular level like you have it here. So this is the best trade to take. And also you see what happened here, you have your full confirmation. So within a day, you can catch up to like 30 trade and 40 trade in a day, and you're already making a lot of money with that. If you're a beginner, you can use it. If you're a pro, you can also use it. And also with this particular one now, you see what happened here is confirmed and is accurate. So same thing happen here. You see, when it is not even confirmed, this particular trend will show you that you don't need to take this particular trade. So you just keep on holding the trade until you have your full confirmation, like what happened here. You see this, it happened here. So guys, if you are watching this channel, you see now we have our confirmation here. Now you take your 3 candle, then you are out. So guys, join our Telegram group, then message the admin, then you are going to get this strategy at a token a month.